Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have completed three types of contact forces. One is muscular force, second one is force of friction, third one is normal force. Now, let us discuss fourth one, tension force. What is tension force? By doing this activity, we will learn about tension force. See here, there is a ball, or you may consider it as any object. It is suspended with the help of a string. Children, what force is acting on it? Yes, you already know that gravitational force is acting on it. Okay, children. What will happen when the string is broken? Yes, the stone would fall down due to gravitational force. If the string is broken, the stone would fall down due to gravitational force. Even when the stone tied to the string, gravity pulls the stone all the time, but it does not fall down. Why the stone or any object it does not fall down? The stone is supported by the string in the upward direction. So, children, there exists a force. There exists a force which supports the stone against gravity. So, this force by pulling it upward direction. So, this force is tension force. There exists a force which supports the stone in the upward direction against gravity by pulling it upward direction. This force is tension force. How do we define tension force? The force which occurs when try to stretch a rope or string. The tightness of a rope or string is called tension force. Children, in our daily life, you may observe monkeys hanging with, sometimes monkeys hanging with the help of their tails. See here. Here, when monkeys hanging with the help of their tails, gravitational force all the time acting on the monkeys in the downward direction. But the monkey does not fall down. Why the monkey does not fall down due to gravitational force? Monkeys hanging with the help of tail. Therefore, there exists a force. There exists a force in the upward direction with the help of tail. So, this force is tension force.